Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. This will be a hopefully very quick video, so let's not talk anymore. I mentioned I was going to show you how to set up a 3-position switch, which we have all over this radio, but unfortunately they're not set up for the radio. This is one way to do it. This isn't the end-all be-all. You may find other ways that are better than this one. So in order to set up a 3-position switch, we go into our model menu, we go into the mixers, we select our first channel, let's say channel 5, which is our next one on the list. Go into that. We're going to set this to complex. Hopefully you can see that clearly in the video. And then we're going to set the mixers to 3. You can do this in more than one way, but this is the way I have been doing it. On page 1, we want to set our switch, so we hit the enter. Now I'm working with this switch and I want it to be in the top position, so I make sure it goes up. So it says D0. And then we go down here and we set our curve to fixed. And you can see the scale's at 100. That's fine. 100 will be at the top for us. Okay, let's go back up. Let's go to page 2. Let's go down to switch and hit enter. Now we go to the middle position, D1. We go down here to curve and we do fixed again. And this time we are going to set the scale to 0 or thereabouts. That gives us the middle position. We'll go up to page 2, go to page 3, go to switch, hit enter, go to the bottom position. Go down to our curve, set it to fixed again, and we set our scale to, well, you could set it to really anything you want, but I use 100, 0, and -100. So when you've got this all set up, don't forget we've got to come up here and save. Just like in Betaflight, if we don't hit that save button, it does not keep. So hit the save. Now we can see we've got complex there. Let's go back in. We should see this move as we move our switch. There we go. So we've got a 3-position switch. All right, there's a quick tutorial. If there's other tutorials you'd like to see on this radio or deviation in general, please let me know in the comments. Hit that like button. Let me know how much traction this is going to get and how many tutorials I might be able to do. I hope I'm done in 3 minutes or less. I appreciate your time, and thanks for watching.